Money can buy almost anything except the peace you feel when your soul is truly content. You don't need $1 million in the bank to feel rich. Sometimes a calm mind and a loyal heart are worth more. The most dangerous thing about money is that it can blind you to everything. It can't buy. Money isn't evil, greed is. It's not about what you have, but how much you let it control you. You can earn more money, but you can never earn back lost time with the people you love. If your happiness depends on money, you'll always be poor even when you're rich. Money is a great servant but a terrible master. Know the difference, and you'll rule your life. Some people are so poor, all they have is money and not an ounce of joy in their heart. The goal isn't to live forever through wealth, but to live fully with or without it. Money reveals your character. It doesn't change you. It just shows the world who you really are. You'll never find peace in your wallet if you've lost it in your soul. Invest your money wisely, but invest your time even more carefully. It's the only asset that never returns. Don't chase money, chase purpose. The money will follow where true passion leads. The richest people aren't those with the most money, but those who need the least to be happy. Making money is a skill, keeping it is wisdom. Sharing it with purpose is greatness. Many spend their health to gain wealth and spend their wealth to regain health. Money can open doors, but character keeps them open. A full wallet with an empty heart is the poorest life you can live. In a world obsessed with luxury, being financially free is the ultimate flex. The value of money is not in how much you hold, but in how you use it to impact lives. If your dreams are only as big as your bank account, you're thinking too small. Money is temporary, but the memories you make with it can last forever. Choose wisely. Don't measure your success by your salary. Measure it by the lives you inspire. When you learn to live below your means, your wealth begins to grow beyond your dreams.